Azadi Mubarak, everyone. Happy 14th August. As you know, we are celebrating with Ladies Fund, and I know it's on all of your minds. How is Ladies Fund going to celebrate? Well, we have come up with some incredible treats, and this one is done in collaboration with Igloo Ice Cream, of course. So please come check it out. First, we took a packet of Oreos, and we are opening it and just going to be removing the white part. So it's really simple. We just take it out. Now, of course, it is not necessary to throw this out. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just not needed for this recipe. But it's a perfectly edible thing that you can eat on its own or with anything else. So first we prep this because, as you know, once ice cream is melting, you end up losing the final perfect result. So you have to move super quickly. So the first thing is we prep the cookie part. Any cookie can be used with this. We like chocolate taste, so we're using these Oreos. So now these cookies are ready to be made into sandwiches. So the next part is we go over to our freezer. It's really important you don't keep your ice cream out. Now, although we have both vanilla and pistachio, we are starting with pistachio. We've opened the package so that we don't waste time. Now, once we're here, you can ideally use a scooper, but for this particular dish, I prefer to use this spoon. Why? Because you're starting with a smaller amount. So now, the key to making a successful sandwich is, one, it has to be pure frozen, and two, it has to be the right amount of ice cream. So we're going to take this and we're going to make sure it's the perfect flat size. You do not want more ice cream like than this, and you also want it perfectly flat. So now this is a great one, and the key is you run your knife around to make sure that it's smooth. See, it's already melting. This is how hot it is in Karachi, but let's see how it tastes. So first, as it's melting all over the place, there's no other solution but to eat. So let's start. I think we have discovered the most delicious thing anyone in the whole nation is going to have this 14th August. It is so good, it's going to rival the Vibe Fix. Yes, it's gooey and gooey, but it is totally yum. And I know I was supposed to make a plate for you all, but I think these have to be made and eaten immediately. Bye.